Hi everyone and welcome to another lesson of To Learn Italian Language with Coin 1988 where we will do the pronouns. So hi to everyone from me and Mogami.
Ciao all.
We start now if Mogami is ready.
Yes, sure.
The pronoun is a variable part of speech which has the function of replacing a name. So that means that you use this part of phrase, we can say, for replace a name. For
Okay.
example, you are talking about mom. For not say every time mom, you say she. There are 6 types of pronouns. There are pronomi personali, personal pronoun, possessivi, possessive pronouns, dimostrativi, demonstrative pronouns, indefiniti, indefinite pronouns, relativi, relative, interrogativi and esclamativi, interrogative and exclamation pronouns. We start
Okay.
from the number 1. The personal pronouns are divided in 3 types. The first type is if they are subject. We have io, that is I, tu is you,
Two.
egli, lui and esso are 3 but all of them mean I.
Ellie. Lui. Esso.
Ella, lei, essa mean she.
Ella. Lei. Essa.
A difference from English is that in English you use another pronouns for the animals. You say it. In Italy we haven't a pronouns for animals, but we use the same pronouns of he and she. If the animal is male, we say egli, lui and esso. If the animal is feminine, we say ella, lei, essa. Okay?
Okay.
After we have noi, that is we,
Noi.
voi, that is you,
Voi.
essi and loro, that mean they only if they are male.
Essi. Loro.
Esse and loro again if they are female.
Esse. And loro.
Exactly. The second type of personal pronouns are complement, and we have me, and it is me.
Me.
Yes. Te, that is you.
Te.
Lui, it is him.
Lui.
Lei, it is her.
Lei.
Noi, that is us.
Noi.
Voi, it is you.
Voi.
Essi and loro is they if they are male.
Essi. And loro.
Esse and loro if they are female.
Esse. Loro.
How you can see, a lot of them we say yet in the first type, like from lui, are all equal. They change me and te. If it is subject, you say I go, io vado. If you wanna say with him, we say con lui. In the second
Yes.
case, lui is complement.
Yes.
The third type is pronomi riflessivi, reflective pronouns, and are these: me, that mean myself,
Me.
ti, that mean yourself.
T,
C, that mean himself and herself.
C,
C is ourself.
G,
V is yourself.
V,
And C, again, that it is their self.
okay.
The second type of pronouns are the possessive pronouns. They indicate whom belongs what the pronouns replace. For example, mine, we say mio, mia, miei, mie.
Mio, mia, miei, mie.
Great. I didn't write it if it is male, female, because for the last letters you can understand.
Yes.
Yours is tuo, tua, tuoi, and tue.
Tuo, tua, toi, tue.
Is, hers or its, is suo, sua, suoi, and sue.
Suo, sua, suoi, sue.
Yes. Ours is nostro, nostra, nostri, and nostre.
Nostro, nostra, nostri, nostre.
Yours is vostro, vostra, vostri, vostre.
Vostro, vostra, vostri, vostre.
Okay. For theirs, it is easy because we have always loro.
Loro.
An important thing to remember is that if these words are followed from a noun, they aren't pronouns, but they are adjective. For example, if we say this is mine, this is a pronoun because after mine there isn't anything. You say questo è mio. If you say mio fratello, that is an adjective because after mio there is fratello.
Okay.
The third type of pronouns is the demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns are used to indicate the identity or the position in the space or in the time of someone or something. They are this, questo, and questa. You use this if the thing or the person is near to who is talking.
Okay. Questo and questa.
If the thing or the person is near the person with who are talking, you say codesto or codesta. These, at plural. Questi and queste, if the thing or the person about you are talking is near who is talking.
Yes, questi and queste.
The plural of codesto and codesta is codesti and codeste.
Codesti and codeste.
After we have that is quello and quella.
Quello and quella.
We have those, that is quelli and quelle.
Quelli, quelle.
Okay. Also in these pronouns, we have the same rules of the possessive pronouns. So if these words are followed from a noun, they aren't pronouns, but they are adjective.
Okay.
The fourth type is the indefinite pronouns. The indefinite pronouns indicate in an imprecise way a quantity or an identity, and they are, for example, someone, that is qualcuno or qualcheduno.
Qualcuno,
Mhm.
qualcheduno.
Something, that is qualcosa.
Qualcosa.
Anyone, that is chiunque,
Chiunque.
or tutti, we can say. So,
Chiunque. Tutti.
yes. For everyone, it is ciascuno, ognuno, and cada uno.
Ciascuno. Ognuno. Cada uno.
All is tutto.
Tutto.
No one is nessuno.
Nessuno.
Nothing is nulla or niente.
Nulla. Niente.
Few is poco.
Poco.
Very is parecchio, molto or tanto.
Parecchio. Molto. Tanto.
Somewhat is alquanto.
Alquanto.
In the same quantity we say altrettanto.
Altrettanto.
The number 5 is the relative pronoun. The relative pronouns merge two phrases. For example, we have che, that mean that or which. We can say I like the shoes that I bought. That I bought, you use che ho comprato. Mi
Ok.
piacciono le scarpe che ho comprato. That che is a pronoun.
Ok.
The relative pronouns are a lot, but for not confuse you, I wrote only che.
Ok. Understand.
The last type is the interrogative and exclamation pronouns. The interrogative and exclamation pronouns are used for interrogative and exclamation phrases. They are always the same, but watching the phrase you understand if it is interrogative or exclamation. Because if you have the interrogative point at the end, you understand that the pronouns in that phrase is interrogative. We have, for example, who, that is chi,
Chi.
what, that is che.
Che.
We use also cosa for what. Which, that is quale and quali.
Quale. Quali.
How much, that is quanto or quanta.
Quanto. Quanta.
How many is quanti and quante.
Quanti. Quante.
Okay, this was the last type of pronouns. If you have question, I am here and I will explain you. So I will say thank you to everyone that is passed to see our Italian lesson, and I say goodbye and see you.
See you all.